Hey y'all, Hunter here with S1 Technology, and we want to take a minute to show you something that's pretty cool about being a customer of ours. Now, when our customers have an issue or a request, there's a bunch of ways that we can provide access to our service desk so we can provide service to them. They can access our secure web portal through the website. They can send us an email to our help desk. They can call us on the phone, or they can do this. So I'm on a Mac, so this is in the top right here, kind of next to the time. If you're on a Windows machine, it's down here in the bottom right next to the time. But basically, click on our logo here, go down to Create Service Ticket, give us some information like your name, a subject line, and a little bit about the problem. And you can even attach a screenshot to show us what you're seeing on your side, so we don't have to kind of solicit as much information. So go ahead and do that, submit, and within 10 minutes, we'll get back in touch with you and try to resolve your problem. And it really is that easy, which makes it that much quicker to get you back to business.